All right, welcome to another issue of Man Tips presented by Talking Small Podcast. Today, I'm back out in the barn for a real unique situation. Last night, the barn was hit by lightning, and now we got a GFCI that's giving us some issues here. So you see that flashing light means it's got current, but it won't reset. No reset. So what we're going to do is go ahead and replace it. So first thing you do is you're going to come over to your breaker. And luckily, this is really the only thing that happened. I had a couple fans stop working, but overall, really minimum for a lightning strike in the barn. All right, so house, lights, side outlet. All right, so you should be able to come back over here. And you see it's powered down, so I need to get faceplate cover off. You don't really want to drop your screw. Alright, so faceplate's off, and we're going to go ahead and disconnect. Alright, so now we're going to take the screws out, the GFCI, so we can pull it out from the wall. So we want to make sure that we put everything back kind of where it was. So you want to get a good look. And you got the ground there going on the bottom. Alright. Alright, so when you go to reconnect it, you're going to want to make sure you're on the live side or the line side. So what you want to do is you want to come in and check. So you got the port on the top, and you can see right there, okay, it's 120 volts. You go check the bottom side here, it's 0. So that's probably part of my problem. But what you want to make sure you do is you know which wires are coming in from the breaker, which is the load side, which is right here on the top, which is where it's supposed to be. And make sure the other wires are going to your load to come through the bottom. And that's exactly how it's set up. So I'm going to go just back with it. I'm going to go back and flip the breaker back off before I disconnect. Alright, so I want to kind of take this apart in stages, just to basically make sure I got it right. Alright, so that top's the load side. I mean the live side. Alright, this is what you want, good solid connections. Now that we got those, we'll take it off the bottom. And these new ones come with a sticker that tells you what the load side should be, so we got that. Go ahead and take that off. I'm going to go ahead and take the ground off of this one so I can get it out of the way. All right. Make it a little easier to get that wire in here. All right, now that you got them mill in, you'll make sure they're nice and tight. Get your ground in there in the bottom. All right, now that we got it hooked up, we want to make sure we can test it, make sure it's working. So I'll go ahead and flip it on. All right, you see we should have a green power light right there. Try to reset it just in case. All right, so it's reset. And now the lights come on. And if I plug in the fan, it works. So we'll go ahead and we'll put the cover back on. All right, we'll go ahead and put the cover plate back on. And that's how you do it. That's another episode of Man Tips presented by the Talking Small Podcast. Subscribe, comment, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it.